Can you count for me, please?
1, 2, 5, 6, tigers.
Can you count in Arabic for me?
Wahat, 9.
Wahat Atneen 9. We had the first two, right? Wahat Atneen Talatha
Arba,
Khamsa Sitta
Sabah, Hamsa,
Saba Thamania Tisa
Tisa,
Ashara.
Asa,
Can you tell me the word for key in Arabic?
Musta,
Muftah. Good. What about door?
Bob,
Very good. Bub. What about dog?
Keb,
Good. What about cat?
Atusa,
Cartusa. Good. What about later?
Bedding,
Very good. Very good. What's your teacher's name?
Miss Naya,
Miss Naima. Very good. Very good. What do you do at school, Lucy?
I color.
Color. What else do you do?